Hi, good day. I am Arquero John Anthony Serrano. I am applying for the position of marine boat mechanic in your company. I am a Filipino, at 28 years old, a Roman Catholic. I am currently residing here at number 1, 21st Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City, Zambales, Philippines. I already have a partner in life and we already have a son. I am a 3 years academic graduate in marine engineering and 1 year sea service as apprentice engineer in a cargo vessel named MV Lady of Guidance. I already have a 4 years work experience in boat and yacht services industry here in Philippines. Now I'm currently working here in XY Marine General Services as their boat mechanical and electrical maintenance. Here we commonly encounter a brand like Yanmar, Suzuki, Honda, and even a Mercury brand that range the power from 2.5 horsepower up to 400 horsepower. Here, we do maintaining and making all the equipments working. We do checking the lights, even the instrument and other machineries. We make sure that all of these things that can be found inside the ship will make the ship run safely and make it seaworthy. I want to work in Europe because Europe offers a good opportunity for those people who want to gain more experience and to explore and to learn new things like that make them excel in their career, and for those people like me who want to experience uh, to work in a multinational company in an international level, and living and working in Europe is like a hitting two birds and one stone. While you are working, you will gain more experience that can help you in your future, and while living, and you will experience the different kind of culture, tradition, and even experience the beauty of Europe. I think that's all. Again, my name is John Anthony Serrano Arquero. Thank you.